than they were if you were considering selling last year. So chances are you have greater equity in your home, which you can then put down on your next place. That might just help counter the higher mortgage interest rates you'll be facing. Also, as we mentioned, those higher mortgage interest rates pushed a lot of buyers out of the market. So, you'll have less competition, and that's a big development. And remember the scenario in which your house would sell immediately, but finding your next place could take months, and you might have had to rent an apartment or stay in a hotel? Well, those days are pretty much gone, because now it's a more ordered, balanced market. And if you sell your house, finding your next one should happen much faster. So for all those reasons, if you're a seller who plans to buy another home right away, for you, today's market might just be fantastic. Now, real estate markets are constantly changing. Sometimes they're great for buyers. Sometimes they're great for sellers. And you know, it's actually pretty rare to find a market that's great for everyone. And today, with the huge jump in mortgage interest rates, many people might be thinking the market is super tough. And they might be right. But many of us remember the days that mortgage interest rates were in the teens. That's right, 13, 14, 15%. Now that's an expensive mortgage. And we're nowhere near rates like that in today's market. So again, if anyone were to ask you today, how's the market? Just think. Can you do what you want to do in real estate right now? If so, the market's great. And if not, you might have to wait. But you won't have to wait forever. Because again, the markets are constantly changing. And if you just pay close attention to exactly what's happening in prices, in interest rates, and in the supply of homes for sale, you'll know when the time is right for you. Coming up next week on Real Estate Today, here come the holidays. With Thanksgiving this coming Thursday, here we go. We'll talk to the pros about how the most wonderful time of the year might affect your real estate plan. Should you try to buy? Should you try to sell? Or should you just wait until the new year? The answers might surprise you. That's next week, right here on Real Estate Today. And until then, I'm Stephen Gasquet, and from all of us here at Real Estate Today, thank you for listening.
Real Estate Today is playing right now everywhere you get your favorite podcasts. A new episode of the best real estate podcast in America drops every Friday. And when you subscribe, you'll never miss an episode. The Real Estate Today podcast, because knowledge is power.